welcome back to my channel. This month is my birth month. So you see I'm wearing my 9-year-old crown and my sash, I think. So when I go to this Indian restaurant up at my aunt's place, I love this drink it's called a mango lassi. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make it. First, you want one ripened sweet mango. If you can't find it, you can use mango pulp, but I'm using mango. So cut it into your blender. Next, you want to add 4 spoons of this vanilla yogurt. Okay. Now, you want to add 2 teaspoons of condensed milk. Okay, the second spoon. Okay. Now you want to add some water. Some milk. Half and half. I mean heavy cream. And 6 ice cubes. Okay, let's blend it all together. Okay. Oops. Okay, put on your blender and mix it well. Okay. Okay. Time to taste it. It is so good. It's so sweet, delicious, and creamy. If you like this video, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bells for my latest videos. Bye guys, see y'all next time.